Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. Welcome to the Keep On Wrenching Shop, where we got a new banner on the wall and we've got some new toys to play with to help make better videos for you. Yeah, that's right. Got myself one of these pivot cams and a little lav mic just to help spruce things up a little bit. It's kind of fun to play around with some new toys. A special deal for all you loyal Keep On Wrenchers. Little thing for you today. If you can name in the comments this actor, first person in the comments to name this actor is going to win themselves a Keep On Wrenching t-shirt. A little bit of an incentive for you to hit that alert bell on the channel so you get alerted to all the new videos when they come out. So again, who is this guy? First person in the comments is going to rock and roll a new Keep On Wrenching t-shirt. All right, today's video, the main deal today is that we've made some serious progress on the 1968 CB350 Honda. We got ourselves back from the powder coater, sandblasted and powder coating, the frame and all the black bits for this motorcycle. This absolutely jump-starts this entire project. We'll take a look at the results. How did this all come out? And, if you've been following the channel for a while, I've been a little bit of a ninny when it comes to powder coating frames. Am I a changed man? We'll find out in today's video. First and foremost, super excited to find RMC Powder Coating and Restoration just a few miles from the Keep On Wrenching garage. They do a ton of custom work and have a ton of colors available. Some of those colors I'm hoping will be close matches for future motorcycle builds on the channel. Really impressed with this place and really impressed with this complex. Check this out. These are great people. That's the first thing I'll say, and it's a family-owned business, which I love being able to support. I'm also very jealous of their tool organization. I am stealing this magnetic strip idea. Oh, it's brilliant. This frame that I dropped off to them was in sad shape, and you can see that they took all the precautions to make sure to protect threads and different bolt connection points on the frame with the sealers. Again, you can see how pitted up and dirty this thing was. It really needed to be sandblasted all the way down to bare metal and redone. This thing was a mess. It lived outside for many, many years, probably a decade. They were kind enough to share some photos or snap some photos along the way of the progress, which is awesome to have a photo in the archive of the frame fully sandblasted. Fantastic work, really thorough, top notch. Also, really, really important is that they did preserve that stamped VIN number on the frame. The 68 did not have a plate on the other side, so preserving that was really, really key. So along with, of course, doing the frame, I did end up doing the airbox covers as well. These came out really, really great. Again, this was probably one of the most crusty looking motorcycles I've worked on yet. The 72 CL350 was bad, but this one is really bad. So I think these have been restored quite impeccably, and they're going to be bomb-proof moving forward. I also ended up doing all the other black bits. So we've got ourselves our center stand, we've got our toolbox, we've got our swing arm, we got the side brackets, we've got the kickstand. All the black bits on this bike are completely done. What a huge win. What a huge win, and this is going to absolutely jumpstart this project, like I have said. You can almost see it starting to come together. So, how much did it cost to do the frame and all those black bits? Sandblasting and powder coating came in right around $500. All right? $500 is a significant investment, but when I start to look at all of the labor that it took me to do this in my home garage, the mess that I made in my home garage, and the effort it took just to clean that up, that alone is a no-brainer. Then you start looking at, I probably spent $400 or $500 on an air compressor alone, just to be able to have manageable sandblasting sessions. I did my first two bikes with a little 1.5 horse air compressor, and it took forever. And when I mean forever, it was like I could maybe do one part, like maybe one side cover in a night because I'd blast for 5 minutes and I'd be charging for 20 minutes, right? So that alone, cost savings in tools, air compressor, guns, I needed a blasting cabinet, and then you're buying all of the blasting compound as well. That stuff adds up crazy. So unless you're planning on doing like multiple bikes and this is a passion of yours and you have a really good workspace to be able to dedicate to this kind of work, I highly recommend just bringing it to a professional. Find a family-owned business and support them and let them do all the dirty work. RMC did a great job on this frame. I have no problem paying that amount of money. I have heard from others that it's been quite a bit cheaper, maybe in that $300 range to get everything done, sandblasted and powder coated, but that's going to vary along with everything. The proximity being like 20 minutes away from my house was a huge convenience, and the turnaround time was about 3 weeks. I think it was about 3 weeks from when I dropped it off and I actually came and picked that up. So I'm telling you, labor-wise, just to blast one of these frames with a home setup, that was a full day endeavor. I would start at like 9 a.m. and I'd be getting done at like 6 p.m. and that didn't even include cleanup. So as you can see, they did a great job. They did a really, really nice job on this. It's just so clean. And the thing is, it's going to be freaking bomb-proof. It's going to last forever and ever. This frame is going to be around for a long time. I'm excited about it, and it really does jumpstart the 68 CB350 project. Super, super excited, getting super organized. We've got all the parts laid out, and I know what I got to do. I kind of know what I'm missing at this point, and yeah, it's going to be a process, but I think we've got everything we need to complete this build. So, yeah, what do you think of this powder coating effort? I think it might be the way to go in the future. So there you have it. Powder coated frame on the 1968 CB350 is going to jumpstart the project. If you know who this actor is, let me know. First person in the comments is going to get themselves a Keep On Wrenching t-shirt. All right, kind of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that alert bell. That is really, really important to keeping Keep On Wrenching rocking and rolling. Also, don't forget about the Facebook group. The Keep On Wrenching community group on Facebook is where you can find all the fellow wrenchers. And I tell you what, there's a solid group of people there, super supportive, and the wealth of knowledge among all the members of Keep On Wrenching community group is pretty vast. There's not a lot of questions going unanswered. And lastly, if you want yourself a Keep On Wrenching sticker, head on over to keeponwrenching.com. All right? Pretty simple. I'm going to try and get another batch out in the mail here probably in the next week or so, so you're going to want to secure that right away. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video, a live stream, or even some of these new shorts that I'm dishing out as well. Thanks so much, everybody. We'll see you later.